AIIMS Patna is one of the best in the AIIMS Bharat scheme, where AIIMS Patna has achieved maximum number of registration in the IBPM scheme of the government, and we are actually second among all the AIIMS and seventh among all the hospitals in the country at the national level.
The key features of this program is, after comprehensive health screening from head to toe, children with congenital defects requiring surgical intervention are referred to DEIC.
I was looking for the smile grade accreditation, which I could not go because they were not very keen in investing in Bihar. And in the meantime, in 2018, this RBSK came here, and it was like a boon for the patients because all those patients require multiple stage surgeries, and RBSK provides funds for all stages of surgery.